Hello, I'm Kate Bradbury. I'm a garden writer and author. My latest book is called The Tree in My Garden. We all know about the climate crisis, we all know about deforestation and loss of biodiversity, but we also know that we can individually take action. There's so much stuff going on that we can't change or that will take years to change, but you can go out tomorrow and plant a tree and make a difference. Trees are absolutely amazing beings. They not only absorb carbon dioxide, but they help mitigate the effects of climate change as well. Their roots absorb water and can help prevent flooding. Their leaves and canopy protect us from the sun, they shade us. They provide habitats for wildlife. Lots of birds and moths and other species all live and breed among trees. They're brilliant, and we need more of them. Trees are also really good for us. I think many of us forget how good trees are for us. Being in nature, being outside, being among green things, it's been proven it lowers our blood pressure, it slows our heart rate, it makes us feel relaxed. If you've had a long day in the office or you've been stuck in traffic, coming out and being among trees, it's good for you, it helps you feel better. And again, just by growing trees, by connecting ourselves more to the natural world, it's better for us, it's better for the environment, it's better for everything. Tree Week is a national campaign to get us all planting trees. Now is the best time of year to plant a tree, and National Tree Week kicks off the tree planting season. Find out if there's any local planting events near you where you can get involved in a larger group activity, but if there isn't, then just get a tree and plant it in your garden and be part of something bigger. I'm going to read a small section from my new book, The Tree in My Garden. As the old Chinese proverb goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. By planting a tree, you will directly help to reduce some of the effects of climate change. Each drop of water absorbed by the tree's roots is a drop that won't join others to form a puddle, a flood. Each milligram of carbon dioxide taken in by its leaves will reduce the amount floating in the atmosphere. Each bee that visits its flowers will not go hungry. Each egg laid on its leaves will provide food for species further up the food chain. To plant a tree is to give life, to wildlife, to you, to your children and grandchildren. Planting trees is an act of power and rebellion, a big 2 fingers up to the world of greed and corruption. As you lower your tree's roots into the ground and cover them with soil, you become part of a global reforestation movement. Isn't that something?